Boss the Barger back in the building. And right now, tonight, I'm about to install somebody's cable service, B&B, Boss Media Box. Looking to get cable, come and check me out, bossmediabox.com. Alright, check this out. I'm gonna go to Target right now to go get me a Fire Stick. Because all you need with Boss Media Box is a Fire Stick, Wi-Fi, and that's it. Alright, so right now we're gonna go to Target. I think I bought one from here one time, but we're gonna go ahead and do the whole flow and just check it out. Check out the video, man. Write some comments below, you know what I'm saying? Share the video and all that. Boss up. Let's go. Gotta go find the electronic side, y'all. To the electronic side, and then hopefully we'll be able to get this Fire Sticks. Let's go ahead and do this real quick. Ready? Alright, y'all. On the electronic side, now we gotta find them Fire Sticks now to see what it do. I don't know where I had got them from before. Yo, where your Fire Sticks at, boss? Huh? Oh shit. Fool me. I don't know where them joints is at. I found them joints. I know they in here though. Gotta be in. Man, where the work is at, man? Shit. Yeah. Am I like walking out the area or something like?
By linking your checking account to a Target debit red card today.
Hello. You work here?
Yes, can I help you?
Fire Stick?
Give me a minute because I'm helping guests right now.
Alright, I'm gonna be waiting on you then. Yeah. Alright, so let's go over here real quick. So right now, you can catch Fire Sticks right now for $24. Oh shit. And you also got the ones right here for $17. But me, I recommend everybody right here get this one. The original price is $50. You get it for $30 right now. It's a good deal. It's a good deal right now. You know what I'm saying? So, you know how we do. So, I'm gonna get ahead and cop this situation. Wait for the lady to come. And then get ahead and cash out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Some nice TVs in here. Man, it's only one person working in this area, man. This is crazy. I like this. Oh boy. I should have brought some cards. Huh. Miss, forgot about me? Oh, it wasn't you? Where the other girl at? Man, where she at? been waiting for a minute, man. Crazy, son. Shorty left me over here. Ah, man. What the hell? Man, this girl, she dipped on me, man. I don't know where she went. I don't know. She said she was helping somebody, but she ain't nowhere over here in the section. Huh? Man, this is bananas, man.
Excuse me. How one of the team members accept? Can you request? Because there's literally nobody over there.
Yeah. Old girl dipped.
One person?
At the back. Oh my god. This is bad service. Target bad service, man.
You can let this one person work in tech.
Probably at the back getting something for someone.
Yeah, that don't make no sense. That don't make sense.
And I don't have a freezer or anything else. That's like
No, you don't have to ring it out. This is so sad. They got one person for tech.
This is bananas, man. This is, yeah, so y'all see this right now. Target a badass service. This is crazy. Look, she wouldn't be over here. She said she was helping somebody or something. I don't know, man. This is wicked. This is really wicked, man. Yeah. I'm about to OD. I'm about to OD. Bet you somebody called now. Somebody gonna see me on the phone. Somebody gonna see me on the phone. I'm not playing. Y'all playing around. I don't know what I'm doing right now. They better hope I don't be able to figure this thing out.
So we're ordering it online.
Hello? Hello? They better, hey, y'all know how to work this? I'll take the blame for it, no problem. You got the right one today. I'm trying to figure this out.
Which one you want? You press 9 or something? There's no speed.
Huh? 9? I don't care. Listen. Free game. You left it open. Hey, I gotta go.
Let's go.
Messages. I don't know how to work this thing here. Redial. What's the last thing they call? Hold on. Operator. Yeah. You work here? Oh damn. Yo, what's the number for the overhead? 9, right?
I mean, really honest, I've never gone over the
So you don't know the overhead, like, you know. Who's her? She here? Miss, it's like mad people over here.
Yeah, and I'm helping these people who have been here for a mad long.
Let them wait longer.
So, you also let me help whoever was in and then
I just need a fire stick. One time.
yeah, but I also have to bring it out. So that's all. Yeah, but what do you have? No, which one do you okay, so I already have this one in my hand. Okay, which is for this one. Not this one.
I don't think the phone work either. I was trying to use it so I could call you.
No, you can't do that.
I was trying, but it didn't work. 4K. We only do 4K around here. Big boys. What you need? What's that? Oh, for the game? Oh, for the game. Oh, word. PlayStation? How was it? Nice.
I don't know. My son needed it.
Oh, okay. So this is how Target do they business. This is bad business. One person for this whole section. This is bananas. It should be one person in the section over there and like at least two people on the floor. One doing reshop and one checking the customers. Feel me? I don't know. I'm gonna have to talk to security about this. This is bad business. It's bad business. It's how teeth come into play. Yeah, people come teeth.
Right now I'm trying to buy it before my son see me. He's somewhere in this store.
Well, you better hope you're not on here, cause I'm about to upload this to YouTube. You might see it. I think you on here already.
It's all right.
I'm gonna edit some of it, but yeah, probably not too much. I don't even like it like that. I'll be giving them raw stuff. In my YouTube channel, raw. When I editing crap. Huh? It's my name, Todd Bossed Up Archer.
Okay.
If you look up Bossed Up, you'll find me. You got cable?
I cut my cable out.
You supposed to.
Waste the money.
I got a cable service. It's $20. Yeah, $20. International channels, Peacock, Netflix.
Yeah, I got it.
I got everything. Feel me?
You gotta keep moving.
Huh? Yeah, man. This is crazy. But they're gonna keep coming.
You like it, Mama?
Man, it's like follow the leader and stuff right now. Shit.
That's so crazy that they have you working alone.
Do I have what you need already? No, I'm about to draw up like the camera over for the instant. Yeah.
That's your Firestick?
Yeah.
Something else?
She's coming now, so I figured.
Are you recording?
This one. Yep.
Can you like turn it that way? 'Cause it
You're not on it.
record in the
You're not on it.
drawer.
You're not on
Yeah,
it.
no, just to be safe. I don't know.
You're not on it.
Record in the-
Just come on, man. You're not on it.
I don't want to do anything.
What was it again?
Smash Brothers. This is Mario Kart.
That's what he said. Yeah, thanks.
Smash
coming. Thank you. Nah, not really. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Can you open a case for us?
Okay, y'all, we up out of here. That was a whole long situation for no reason. Feel me? I ain't wanna have a camera up on people like that, man. 'Cause, you know, I'm as ignorant as they can get. You feel me? And I don't want no drama. But yeah, we got the Firestick. See which one we got. We got this one, the 4K. So anytime I like put people on, I tell them to get the 4K. Why? Because it's like the newest version. You got the 4Ks, and then you got the 4K. The 4K. The what they call it again? My pants falling down. Goddamn. Oh shit. Got the 4K. So they got the 4K and the 6 Plus Wi-Fi 6. Yeah, it's called Wi-Fi 6. So yeah, this is the best one right here. So I got this one for about $32. Normally, you know what I'm saying, I would throw a little 20 on there. But since it's 50, I sell it for I would sell it for 50 or whatever the case may be, and make an extra $20. I'm getting it for 30. So that's how you make money. Or you can have the price at 50 and sell it for 70 because you came and got it. Make extra money. Either or you can make extra money by having your own fire sticks and getting it to the people. You know what I'm saying? So right now, we're gonna go to the next phase and we're gonna go pull up at the people's house. Alright? What's up? Let's get to it, baby. It's nighttime flex. I told you I'd be on the grind. Yeah, baby, let's get it.